in the world. The range of em applications is diverse. For example, em is used for converting waste cooking oil into soap, and kitchen garbage into fertilizer. Various recycled materials are produced with em by local governments, NGOs, and businesses. These materials too contribute to purifying the soil and waters. Em is now used around the world for improving food production, recycling organic resources, and purifying polluted waters. In Pakistan, 80% of food production depends on irrigation water from the Indus. The country is now extensively studying em. In Punjab, a region in northeastern Pakistan, soil salinization is seriously affecting crop production. Em was found to be effective in improving crop production in such a soil. By treating with em, animal waste can be converted into an odorless, safe fertilizer. The yield of wheat was increased more than before, and the cost of using em is less than pesticides and chemical fertilizers. In Thailand, royal projects are being carried out for establishing a self-sufficient economy. In one of the projects, a self-sufficient farming system is promoted. The Bureau of the Royal Household and major businesses are using em for this system. The Royal Thai Army also supports em farming, and their soldiers even go abroad to teach this farming system. Shrimp farming is one of the major industries in Thailand. It also benefits from em. Em has greatly improved the quality of shrimps, as well as the water quality of shrimp ponds. In Egypt, the supply of water totally depends on the Nile. Its water is the only lifeline for a total of about 160 million people in Egypt, the Sudan, and Ethiopia. In Egypt, recycling systems using em are being developed. In this system, city waste is converted into fertilizer, and wastewater is recycled for irrigation. This project is carried out by the Ministry of Agriculture and Land Reclamation and the Ministry of State for Environmental Affairs. In Europe, the degradation and pollution of land and water due to pasturing is a serious problem. Chemical fertilizer for growing pasture is feared to cause the pollution of groundwater. In the Netherlands, where land is very limited, groundwater pollution due to animal waste is also serious. em solves these problems. Em is mixed in feed for poultry. The degradation of pastures has been prevented by converting animal waste into a quality fertilizer, and wastewater is purified. A study done at Wageningen Agricultural University has shown that cattle manure treated with em is effective in growing pasture and grain. China depends on irrigation for 70% of its food production. A rapid industrialization, however, has caused a serious pollution of rivers and lakes. The country is now confronted with a water crisis. In Guangxi, Zhuang, em was used to purify factory wastewater. It resulted in a reduction